What's going on, everyone? Destin here, back at it again with another Switch review video. Today we'll be talking about the Strawberry Cheesecake Tactile Switches Round 2 from Bsun. It's been a tactile Switch takeover recently, and I'm here for it. The Strawberry Cheesecakes feel like a true tactile Switch with a medium bump. Offering some insane deepness, these switches will probably shine with softer plates like polycarbonate and polypropylene. Coming with 10 switches in a pack, with each pack costing $4.20. Slightly higher than what we're used to seeing, but let's see if it's worth it. A second go around on the Strawberry Cheesecakes, the round 2s come with improved molding, factory lube, and a better noise control. Being tactile switches, they offer 10 switches in a pack, designed by Toro Studios, manufactured by Bsun. Stem material consists of Li, while the top housing consists of POC. Bottom housings consists of POC, operating at 40 grams and bottoming out around 48 grams. They pre-travel at 2.0 millimeters, while total traveling at 3.8 millimeters, coming factory lubed. Quite consistent on things all around in regards to feel and sound. No mushy feelings or any signs of over-lubing, and no overly lubed and muted sounds when bottoming out. Here's a list of vendors you might be able to pick these switches up from, depending on your country location. While I haven't tried the round 1s, the round 2s moldings are definitely solid. Using a cherry style switch opener, we can take these apart and get a closer look at each component individually. Top housings consisting of POC and a nice cream white. Li stems coming factory lubed on the legs and sliders. Spring weights operating at 40 grams while bottoming out at 48 grams. And our bottom housings that also consist of POC and a nice graham cracker colorway. Taking a closer look, I can definitely understand why they're called the Strawberry Cheesecakes. The housings themselves are reminiscent of a cheesecake, with the leaf stems almost reminiscent of the strawberries sitting on top. They're a 5-pin PCB mount switch, coming factory lubed. Let's go ahead and take a listen. A fairly deep combination with the POC housings and the Li stem. Let's get a closer look at these improved molds and really take things for a spin. Vertically, there's little to no wobble at all. Horizontally, there is a bit more movement with the wobble, but even then, it's seldom to none. And in testing with things inside the plate, these definitely aren't coming out anytime soon. We'll compare the Strawberry Cheesecakes against the Wingtree Tactiles. Strawberry Cheesecake, light brown Tactiles, and the uni Tactiles. For a sound test today, we'll toss them in the Neo 75 CU, no foams, carbon fiber plate, GMK Serica. Let's take a listen.